Safekeeping Wisconsin, for our kids and learning communities. Maintaining safe facilities, water quality. Safe drinking water is essential to a healthy learning environment, especially after a school closure. Stagnant water in plumbing may support the growth of bacteria. It may also cause metals to leach from pipes, resulting in dangerous levels of lead and copper. Before reopening, work with water professionals to ensure that water is safe for re-entry. Inspect all faucets. Remove and clean aerators. Conduct a facility-wide flushing of all faucets from zone to zone. Remember to replace clean aerators once flushing is complete. Don't forget the bubblers and bathroom sinks. Inspect and maintain water treatment systems such as filters and water softeners following manufacturer's instructions. If your facility is served by a municipal water system, check with your regulatory agency for required and recommended actions. If your facility is served by a private well, inspect the well components annually. Consult your local water professional for assistance. Developing a water management program is recommended to ensure the safety of your water and plumbing system. Safekeeping Wisconsin, for our kids and learning communities. For more information, visit our website